Hello, this is Crowe. I'm here again to do another video for Aisa Love's 100K Mastermind training. Last Thursday, Dr. BOJ came on and showed us the video that he is working on. So it took about 30 minutes watching that. He spent a lot of time working on this video. This video is going to be really powerful. And then Saturday, when we started to have our webinar, it was canceled because he was really working hard on that video again. And so that video should be out pretty soon. So what I did was I spent last night and I spent today working on video scripts so I can use these scripts to do videos, but I'm trying to make them where that I can relate it to whatever's going to be in that video. And but I'm saving these in different files, and I do the keyword research, and I do the Chat GPT come up with a list of titles. I have Chat GPT write me an outline, have it expand on that outline, and write the script for that. Also, I can use these as a blog post. So on our online business app blog post, I will also post each of these on the blog, and I'll make a video out of this information. So I'll get two products out of it. I'll get a blog post, and I'll get a video out of that. So that's what I've been doing today is working on trying to get as many things as possible so I can get stuff out there once that video is completed. So I didn't do a video. I didn't do anything where I'm explaining how to do something new or anything like that today. I just spent a lot of time working on creating more and more video scripts so that once that video is published, I'm really excited about this video. I think it's going to be so powerful. It's going to be unbelievable. And that way I want to get as much exposure for it as I can. So that's why I'm working on creating these video scripts that will be ready so I can start getting videos out once he publishes his sales video. So thanks for watching. I will see you in another video. If you haven't done so, subscribe to my channel. Also, I appreciate any comments. If you'll comment, that really helps my YouTube channel also. The more comments you make, the better it helps me. The more YouTube realizes that actually this is valuable content, and maybe give me a little bit better rankings, give me more visitors and show it more. All right, see you later.